You have reached your destination.
So here's an issue I've got. I'm trying to figure out. All right. Shut face panel from Scarborough Fair. Doesn't fit correctly. I've got this more or less tied down so I can see how it all goes together, right? And when maybe it does fit. I don't know. I don't think it does, but anyway, maybe not. Well, all right. So here's the deal. That's what I'm looking at, and there's what I'm looking at. So I've got quite a bit to shave off, I think. Whereas door shut face panel from Jags by Jorge. Let's see if I can get there. There we go. Fits a little bit better. A lot better, actually. Hold on, let me press pause real quick. Okay, anyway. Door shut face panel, Jags by Jorge. Like I say, I've got this tied down internally, and I realize that there's other ways to do it, but tied down so that it looks decent. Well, so that the fender's tied down, right? But I've got that, and it's even more pronounced on the other one, on the one from Scarborough Fair, and the one from Scarborough Fair out now does not fit. So I'm curious if this is normal, if I need to move the hole over to here, and then fill this in with weld, and then paint the whole thing. So I'm gonna. Then there's this gap in there, and I think that's for this, right? The seal. I'm almost certain it is anyway. All the way down. So a couple questions. Is that gap down there normal? Is it normal that the shut face panels need to have surgery? I suppose what I could do is trim the very bottom of that so it goes down a little bit more that way. You can see that I think the fender is good to go. It doesn't matter because it gets covered anyway, you know? So, I don't remember. Yeah, hold. I don't remember if there is supposed to be a gap there. I don't think that there is, but, you know, like I say, it all lines up. And I suspect that this is the better panel, honestly. Painting it won't be tough. But that misalignment on the holes is what's got me curious. So I'll post this, look for advice. Can't say I'm actually thrilled today. This, and there's my door, it's on by the way, is as far as my door closes. And I'll just show you. See this? All of that. I should have thought about this before I put the door on, or looked at it, or I didn't think it'd be a big deal, but it is a big deal. Because, let's see if I can get a camera in there. There. Bonk. So, sports and classic. If you're watching this, you guys suck. Your fitment sucks. Over here is just fine. Yep, nice and good right there. Yep. But that's as far as it goes. So fuck you guys. I'm tired of this crappy stuff. Sports and classic can kiss my foot. So I'll put the other ones on, the other door, see how it works out. Well, I should look at the door first and see if I got to trim the goddamn thing. This one's okay. I've got the shut face panel to put on, of course, but some gaps to adjust. But you know, should be okay. And I got to tie the fender down, of course. The rear fender is just hanging on by really loose bolts. Yeah, there it is. Fucking sports classic. Nicely done, guys. I'm still not happy. God dang it. Oh well, I won't bitch much. Okay, here's my driver's side door panel. You can see where it cracked. I was putting it on, and here's how much I've got to trim off so that the door closes. Kind of sucks. Really sucks. Oh well. So I think I'm going to be done for the day. I've got some other stuff I got to get done, but this is the right side shut face panel from Jags by Jorge out of San Diego. I had a screw hole here, here, and here. I got a little bit of work in there to do to make it look nice, but I filled in the holes. Okay. I also did a little bit of surgery to the holes here. I'm not surprised. I mean, nothing on an MGA fits perfectly, so, or if it fit perfectly, it fits somebody else's perfectly. But show what I've got over here. Gap is not too awfully bad for the first try. To tie that down there at the center of the screen, but like I say, it's not too bad. I've seen worse, and not that great there. So I do have some adjustment to do. I know that the door will go left and right and up and down and so forth, so I have no issue with fiddling with the gaps on this door and calling it a day, right? However, gap on this is killing me. Again, I need to tie the bottom of the fender down, but that's not so bad, right? Can't close it all the way, and I do not know why. So I don't think it's well, I don't know. Whoops. It's not a matter of these things being off. I just have some work to do. God damn it. I think I need to trim this back. You can see where I split that. I'm not sure what I want to do about that. Honestly, that sucks, but... and it'll probably be seen, too. Anyway. Getting the door that way. I need a shim or two or something. Just some work to do. So I would love some advice and some options and what you did and on and on and on. So yeah. Yeah. I'll muddle through. I always have. I'll do some surgery to this shut face panel tomorrow. Here are the holes I was talking about. On the other side, they were just a little bit off center from where I want them to be, so I said, fuck it. Closed them up. Probably do some surgery to these holes and such, but honestly, that thing's a quality piece, so it fit much nicer than the other piece I had. So, we'll see, and that is that for now. I'm going to post this tonight. I'll work on this damn thing tomorrow, get it ready for paint. I'm going to prime the other one tonight, let it sit overnight, and then I'll paint. God dang flies. And then I'll paint. Oh yeah, I forgot. I finished that. And it seems to be okay. I don't think it's biting anything right now, but whoops. So I've got some adjustments in there. The one over there seems to be okay too. Again, I got some adjustment to do. I think while I had this door panel off, I also enlarged the receiver hole there just a little bit. I may elect to do that on the other one. I spent hours getting these things correct and put onto the doors, and I think it will. Well, I took this off in about 3 minutes and put it back on in 5, so I was just being careful. Yeah, my fear was I'd miss the holes and this, that, and the other, but I'm fine. I'm good. So I may adjust the other door card as well. Yeah, we'll see. So that's it for tonight. And it's not I forgot. I also put these sills on. So Wyatt, if you're watching, these are the ones you sold me. So nice quality piece. And apparently Wyatt had them in storage for a couple decades. So nicely done, Wyatt. Good job. Both sides have them on there now. There we go.